Hello YouTube, Zach the Phoenix here, and I'm pretty excited because anyone who grew up watching Winnie the Pooh ought to know by now that he's an icon. He's a classic. Like, who the hell didn't grow up watching that willy-nilly, killy, silly old bear? So as a horror nut, it only came natural to me to want to make a costume of him as soon as the trailer dropped for Winnie the Pooh Blood and Honey, which, yeah, damn me, did I ever. Obviously, it's nowhere near as, well, I don't want to say it's nowhere near as good as the one in the movie, since it's also kind of, I don't want to say cheap looking. I mean, those masks definitely look like they're easily $700 a piece, because they are. Like, look it up for yourself if you don't believe me. Even Wikipedia has semi-accurate information, I guess. They probably know more about it than I do, but yeah. I gotta say, I'm hyped. It's also a British movie for all of you Anglophiles out there. So yeah, I'll put the montage here. I did want to be Leatherface for Halloween until I saw this, so I kind of already had a horny jail bunker type hammer out of foam and some mask latex here, and a dowel. We don't see him horsing around with one in the trailer, since the movie isn't out yet as I'm making this. But I did make a sickle just because, you know, why the hell not?
This guy's coming around your bed with the sickle, and you're shooting the wrong way.
Thank you, Bill Burr. And I also made this just because, why the hell not? You know, we see it in the trailer, but I wanted a 100-acre wood sign. This is just, how could you not, okay? I made this pretty much the same way I make all my painting frames. Remember those videos? It's all just cardboard, paper mache. It's got a fishing wire hanger on it, so you can just hang it. You just paper mache over that. Literally, even down to the detail of the fake nails, that's literally just more paper mache with a piece of cardboard that I got out of a hole punch. And then I've just got a flannel here that my brother gave me. I'm sure if you, unlike me, aren't that much of a clothing nut, you could distress this a lot more than I have. I think my pits have already distressed it enough. However, if you really want to go all out like I did, you can take some black and red paint, which I did, subtly of course, to some overalls. I was mostly just trying to get rid of all the white thread type detailing that's all here, mostly on the buttonholes and such. I don't even know if you can see the fake blood or nothing. You kind of see it there a little bit. You could use this for a Leslie Vernon cosplay too. That's what I love about overalls in horror movies. Killer rednecks. And last but certainly not least, what's better than a 1, a Winnie, or the Pooh? A 2, a Winnie, or the Poohs. I got a bloody one and a non-bloody one. The eye holes, they're bigger for this one just because I plan on actually using it for more shit. This one I plan on using for more up-close stuff, so the eye holes aren't as big. It's, I don't know, it's not as comfortable as wearing this one, but this one just looks better, so we suffer for our art, I guess. So yeah, that's everything. I'm looking forward to wearing this for certain events. I've kind of been burned out on a lot of my content lately. I sort of already did everything as far as all the shit that I wanted to accomplish with goth content. So, what better way to what better way to get into my own channel again than laying on my ass until Halloween rolls around? Because yeah, apparently that seems to work when you've got a bit of a creator's block. That is what it is. If you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. And I love you all.